This is another recipe I should gatekeep, but I'm not gonna do it, so stick around. Just note, this recipe may not be for everybody. If you're picky, you may not like this, but mostly everybody in our family loves this recipe and cannot wait for summer to hit until I make this. It's my summer crab salad recipe. I've got a pound of cooked shells that I've cooled. We prefer the shells. I feel like it's just, you could use other pasta, but this recipe, it's just good with the shells. I don't know what it is. It's just the shells. You need the shells. Sliced cherry tomatoes, English cucumber, peeled and quartered, a whole one, and a pound of imitation crab, all chopped up. I know some people put their nose up at imitation crab, but we like it. This is our favorite salad, so if you don't like it, you can keep scrolling. Duke's mayo is really hard to find in Western Mass. I know I can find it if I look around, but it's not like readily available at every grocery store. I'm not sure why. When I have found it, I prefer that, but when I don't, I just get whatever happens to be the cheapest. So, I don't know. I guess I start with like maybe a cup or so, and then if I feel like it looks dry, I add more. Then I do garlic powder, onion powder, pepper. The key ingredient, you cannot make this without this, Old Bay. And we mix. Then I take a little sample to see if we need any other seasonings. No, that's good. Before I put it in the fridge, I usually give it one final sprinkle of Old Bay. Then we put it in the fridge until later. It's so good. Let me know if you make it.